Okay, today we are going to see about the simple machine questions. Question number 1 says that a load of 480 Newton is moved by applying an effort of 40 Newton to a machine. Find mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. In order to solve the mechanical advantage, or MA is equals to load force over effort force. Effort force is the force we exert on the machine. Load is machine's force, which is the output force. Mechanical advantage is the advantage you get from a simple machine. Therefore, MA or mechanical advantage is equals to load over effort. Load is 480 Newton. 480 Newton over 480 Newton over effort is 40 Newton. 40 Newton is equals to 400 0 by 0, 48 over 4 becomes 1, 2. That means a simple machine multiplied an effort 12 times. Or load, the output force, is 12 times effort force. Okay. Number 2. Can I do that again? Solution to question number 2. A machine raises a load of 200 Newton load to 2 meter. Find when an 100 Newton effort force is applied on the machine and moved by 8 meter. Find first one. Find mechanical advantage. A. Mechanical advantage is equals to load over effort. Effort is equals to load is what? 200 Newton over effort is 100 Newton is equals to 200 Newton over 100 Newton becomes 2. Mechanical advantage 2. B. Velocity ratio is equals to effort distance or effort moved by this distance moved by the effort over distance moved by the load, or load distance. And velocity ratio in shorthand for notation for effort distance over load distance, which is equals to effort distance means the distance and effort moved by 8 meter over load distance is a distance where a load moved, that means 2 meter. 8 meter over 2 meter becomes 4. By the way, velocity ratio of a machine is also ideal mechanical advantage of a machine. Okay. C WI or work input. Or input work. Work input is equals to effort times effort distance. What you have to note here is that distance must be expressed in the force of meter in order to say work, because work is the product of force and displacement or distance. That distance must be expressed in the forms of meter, and work must be expressed in force must be expressed in Newton. Newton meter must be joule. Therefore, work input or input work is equal to effort times effort distance. Effort is 100 Newton times effort distance is 8 meter. 8 times 100, 800 Newton meter, or 800 joule. That means work output, or D, work output or useful work. That means work output work is equal to load times load distance. Work output, that means WO is equal to load times load distance. Load is 200 Newton times load distance is 2 meter is equal to 400 Newton meter, or 400 joule. Okay. Again, F, efficiency. Efficiency or eta is equal to output work over input work times 100%. 100%. Output work is 400 joule over input work is 800 joule times 100%. Okay. By 100 and 440 over 8 becomes 50%. Efficiency of a machine is 50%, while E is wasted energy or waste energy. Energy is equal to waste energy is equal to work input minus work out. Input work is 800 joule minus work output is 400 joule, which is equal to 400 joule. V is the wasted energy. See you on the next video.